If you are interested in fishing rods, you are in right place. I will show you 5 best ever fishing rods, which are best in rating and pricing.
With the QudraKast 9270 pole, it's got really good flexibility and super strong and a wide range of motion. That pole, nice long extension, and this pole is super flexible and really has a great heavy-duty design that it gives it plenty of flexibility and plenty of action for your line.
Thought I'd still be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time, waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine, I was fine. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends.
Right, so I'm out here with the PLUSINNO collapsible telescopic rod and reel. There you go, look at that, look at that. See him come up and get that? Look at that. This rod and reel feels pretty good, boys and girls. Feels pretty good, and that's a better fish right there. Wow. Oh, this is going to be a great way to fish some of these ponds.
Hi, I'm Paul Balfour, Director of Sales for Rust Creek Creations. The rack I want to show you today is from my signature series. This is the Realtree 16 round rod rack. What we did on the top and bottom plate, we incorporated a really nice laminate of the Realtree Extra Camo pattern. We also sealed the base plate on the bottom for added durability. We have plastic caps to rest your rod handles on. Also, the center post is 2-piece 38mm construction that has been powder coated for added durability, which also goes up to the finial. For the top plate, we have 16 freshwater rod clips. This is a great overall rack. It's no tool design, and you'll have this set up in less than a minute.
There's another one. Another nice one. Old telescoping travel pole, getting them done. Getting her done. Other nice.